Hi guys, so welcome back. This video might be really short, and it's just to show you a couple of things you could do with your board when you're done with manufacturing. So this is what we're going to do. Let's say we wanted to place some text, and so yeah, let's actually place some text. So in here, right, I want to place a text that says yada yada lesson 01. But you can see that, because of the copper area, or the copper area, you can't really see it, right? So let's go yada yada lesson 1, right? And it's quite big. We can change the font family. You can add a lot more fonts, right? And yeah, let's place this here. So we say yada yada lesson 1, right? And then we can add a little more, some more text, when it says yada yada lesson 2. But we're going to go ahead and do this. LED array. And I guess the last thing, you could literally put your name. You could put your name here, right? So you can just do Barnabas normal, right? Or something. You can have this. And when you show your copper zone, it doesn't really show, but all these things show, right? LED 1, LED 2, and it depends. So for example, because you've done it this way, it's going to show up as part of your copper area. So you can go here, copper area, and rebuild all. And it's just going to isolate this text on the top side for you, right? So you can go with this way, which isn't bad. I guess I probably wouldn't mind going with this style. Maybe let me move it slightly away from the other items there, right? So that it's like on its own. And we can rebuild our copper area again, you know. Or there's another thing you can do if you don't want to have it done in copper. You select all of these, and actually when you do this, you can also go and I think you can be asked if you want to expose the copper, right? I don't know where that option is. Click this and see. Okay, not this, but probably if it's a track, they should ask you if you want to, yeah, expose copper, right? But this doesn't have exposed copper. Anyways, so you have 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you can do this, or what it brings me to, you can just move all of them to the top silk layer, right? So you select all three, and layer, you select top silk layer, so that it writes it on the very top. So because there are different layers, so the top silk layer is where all the text, everything highlighted in yellow right now. So if I select rebuild all, we go to the top silk layer, and this is here. So I'm just going to go ahead with this. You can go ahead with the regular copper layer version, and that's also not bad. It's entirely up to you. I know some people will do this, then they would copy all this and paste, and then put the copper underneath. One of my friends did that once. I thought he was crazy, but they made it for him, so I guess you can really do whatever you want. And so that's really one thing you can do. There are a lot of other ways you can do a rounded board, a circular, like a fully circular board, or an ellipse. I mean, everything is really up to you. So it's up to you to explore. And then we're going to look at how to fabricate these boards the next time. All right, so thank you very much.